Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Anytime that you are logged into your WordPress site, the Wordpress toolbar will appear at the top of your screen. This toolbar is displayed in both the front end and back end of your site and provides links to common WordPress tasks. The functionality and appearance of the toolbar will change depending on where you are at within the site. Also, just like other parts of WordPress, the toolbar will change as you customize WordPress. For example, many plugins that are installed in your WordPress installation will also add functionality to the WordPress toolbar. However, the core functionality that will be shown in this lesson remains the same. Let's take a look at the WordPress toolbar in the admin or back end area of your site. At the far left end of the toolbar is the WordPress logo. If you click directly on the logo, you will be taken to the WordPress welcome screen that appears when you first install and log into WordPress, and which provides you information on your WordPress installation. However, if you simply hover over the WordPress logo in the toolbar, you will see links appear which you can click to go to that particular area. There's a link to wordpress.org where you downloaded the WordPress application and where you can find themes, plugins, support, and more. The documentation link takes you directly to the documentation area of wordpress.org, where you'll find extensive instructions and documentation on everything WordPress. There's also a link to support forums, where you can interact with other WordPress users, ask questions, and get help. The feedback link takes you to the area on wordpress.org where you can give feedback to the team of developers who create and manage WordPress. To the right of the WordPress logo is the Site button, which has a small house icon and the name of your WordPress site. From the back end, you can click this button once to be taken to the front end of your site, where you can view what your site will look like to visitors. From the front end, if you hover over the Site button, you will then see links that will take you directly to those associated sections in the admin area, such as the dashboard, themes, or the customizer. This menu will also change depending on which theme you are using. To the right of the Site button is the Updates button. You can click this button to view the Updates section within the admin panel. Note that this button will only appear within the toolbar if updates for WordPress, its themes, or plugins are available. Otherwise, this button will not be shown in the toolbar. To the right of the Updates button or the Site button, you will then see the Comments button. This button will also display the current number of comments awaiting administration moderation, which we will discuss later. If you click the button, it takes you directly to the Comments section of the admin area. After the Comments button is the New button. When you hover over it, the button provides links to quickly add things like a new post, page, or user by jumping directly to that section in the admin area. This is a quick way to navigate to those areas without having to go through the navigation bar in the admin area. When you are in the front end of your site, you will see another button appear in the WordPress toolbar called either Edit Post or Edit Page, depending on which type of content you are viewing. If you click that button, you will be taken to the Post or Page Editor in the back-end admin area, where you can freely edit the content of the post or page. This can be incredibly handy, as you can edit a page or post that you find on your site in the front end without having to navigate through the back end to locate that exact page or post. Now at the far right end of the WordPress toolbar, you will see the My Account link, which contains the name Howdy Your Name. You can hover over this link to select Log Out to log out of the WordPress application. You can also select the Edit My Profile link to go to the Profile section of the admin area. Here you can change the color scheme of the admin area, enable or disable things like the toolbar and keyboard shortcuts, as well as modify your personal information and even change your password. After you make any desired changes, simply click the Update Profile button to save them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.